Hey guys, we're wrapping up capitalization with our capitalization part 3 on page 98. So here are our next two rules. The first one is that we always need to capitalize names of buildings and bridges. And secondly, the personal pronoun I is always capitalized. Here are some examples that use the names of buildings and bridges rule. My dad works in the Federated Tower. Since Federated Tower is the name of a skyscraper in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, we need to keep the F and the T capitalized. F, T. The second one, I walked across the Roberto Clemente Bridge. All right, you'll see here that Roberto, the R in Roberto, the C in Clemente, and the B in bridge are capitalized. If I just said I walked across the bridge, though, and didn't name a specific bridge, then I would not have capitalized it. Lastly, no matter where the personal pronoun I is in a sentence, beginning and middle, it is always capitalized. Since it's by itself, it's capitalized. Here is an example. I walked home. Or, she and I are friends. In either case, when I is at the beginning or I is in the middle of the sentence, it is always capitalized.